how to make your law of attraction work for you. There is one key which can help you make this law of attraction work. And most of the people are not aware about that key, and that's why they continue to believe in the law of attraction, but they do not actually pursue it the right way. And this key, once you know that, let me tell you, it will open the doors for the wealth, abundance, and the progress, the things that you want to see for yourself, be it on the wealth, be it on the health, be it on the relationship. And this is what is going to help you. Hi, my name is Raakesh Rana. I'm Growthpreneur Mentor. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and put the alert so that you can get this valuable insight of your life and the business in your inbox. So let me tell you this one key that will actually blow your mind, and that is a power of one. What do I mean by that? That key is a power of one, where you decide what you want and only one thing which you focus with a relentless intensity. Why am I saying relentless intensity? The reason is the law of attraction only works when you have the power of one focus, where you know that this is what I want and I'm simply focusing day in, day out. And that's the relentless effort, right? In your thoughts, in your behavior, in your action, if you can just bring that one thing and one thing only, that will bring the thing nearer to you faster than you can imagine, and unimaginable way that you can find it in your surrounding. You will find the clues to achieve it faster and faster. So if you want to attract something in your life, this is the one key to actually unlock your law of attraction. And that is a power of one. Focus on only one thing for the relentless time till you achieve it. If this tip help you, then please do share with others. Tag people who need to listen to this and let them also understand this power of one key, which can help them achieve what they want in their life. Okay. If you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's be connected. Do write, what is that one thing that you want to focus on in your life and want to achieve? And that will help you to actually attract that in your real life as well. This is Raakesh Rana signing off till we meet next time. Till that time, take care and God bless.